Hello everyone, welcome to a new gadget review or unboxing experience after a long time. For the Great Indian Festival of 2022 in October, I've just ordered a Fire TV Stick 4K Max actually. So take a look at this. So this is what I have ordered. So it comes with some really good, neat packaging. Let me show it to you around. So the box came in this particular package, and here is the box, and it was nicely, all these components are nicely tucked inside this compact box. So the adapter was kept inside this with two batteries. So nice of them to provide batteries for the remote, I believe. And then we had the actual stick, the Fire TV stick itself, which comes with a port over here for the HDMI connection. And then there is this particular adapter, the HDMI female and male adapter. And then there is this particular USB cable. I believe this is supposed to go in here for the power input. And then we have the Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote, which comes with the Alexa button, power button. The power button, I believe, is for the TV. And then we have the dedicated volume button to control the TV volume. Then you have the home button, and you have dedicated Prime, Netflix, Amazon Music, and a customizable app button. And then there is this particular button, which I'm not sure what it is. We'll need to find out. Maybe for switching inputs or something. And then there's a nice mute button and the home button as well, and with the jog dial over here. So really excited, looking forward to using the Fire TV Stick 4K. This is meant for my 4K TV. So with the Google TV introduced, my new TV, the 55-inch one, which is in the living room, is equipped with Google TV. But this particular TV, which is having a great frequency of 200 hertz, is still on the older Android TV. And that's the reason. And it was lagging a little bit because a lot of apps have been installed. So that's the reason I thought, let me upgrade or order the Fire TV Stick 4K Max because the hardware wise this is really highly capable, and as you can see it is from the performance wise, this is really faster, at least 40 to 50 times faster than its predecessor or the previous variant, which is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. So it also comes with the Apple TV. As you can see over here, they have also mentioned or put this MX Player logo as well. Several apps, as you can see, is supported: Netflix, Prime, YouTube, Geo Cinema, Eros Now, C5, Sony Live, Boot, Discovery Plus, Lionsgate Play, Sun Next, Hoi Choi, Aha. Everything under the sun, I believe, is already available. I have the regular Fire TV stick, the one that got launched for the first time. I have that with me still. And my other use case for using this particular Fire TV Stick 4K is also to use it on my projector, as you know. So I have a BenQ projector. It's a 3D projector. So I hope to use this particular projector, that particular projector, with this Fire TV stick, so that I can pair my Bluetooth home theater speakers when I use this with the previous Fire TV stick. When I tried to use that particular Fire TV stick, the older one, it used to lag when I used to connect it with Bluetooth. So I hope this is being a much powerful device will give me a seamless experience. So that's the main use case why I bought it for. So that was one of the primary reasons why I'm not using the projector much. So I hope to use projector a lot more with this particular, with the help of this particular device, so that I could stream my favorite apps, OTT apps, and things like that. And also, most of the times it would be connected to this particular TV, so that I could use the more fluid and faster experience while browsing through the OTT apps. And this also supports Wi-Fi 6, and my the modem that I have is a Wi-Fi 6 compliant. So I hope to get a much faster experience. Of course, nothing beats when nothing beats the physical Ethernet cable which I have already connected to this particular TV, but Wi-Fi 6 I believe will also provide a great experience. Apart from that, it also supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos speakers as well. So that is another plus for this particular variant, which is the top variant of the FireTV stick. I got this particular device for a really good price of 3,699, I believe. The regular pricing of this particular device, I think it costs around 7K or something like that, I believe. I bought this for a good discount of around 43% discount during this particular sale. So with that, I'll close this particular unboxing video. I will configure this now, and then we can see it in action. Let's see how it turns out. So this is how the interface of the FireTV stick, the FireTV 4K Max looks like. I think it's mostly the same across all FireTV sticks. So, but this is how the interface is. It's very slick and smooth, as you can see. Scrolling wise, playing the videos from any of these tabs, and then there are some shortcuts on the remote itself to access these services like Prime Video, Netflix, and so on. They didn't provide the shortcut for YouTube though. So this is how it looks like. So with that, I would like to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do subscribe and like and share my channel if you really like it. Thank you.